YouTube? Welcome back. Dubdigital crypto news, macro trends. Give me a subscribe if you appreciate that content. I'm trying to give you the hottest crypto content on the internet. Wandalorians, we meet again. Crypto's been up, down, up, down, up, down. And during times of confusion and extreme volatility, it's good to peek behind the curtains and look at the utility, aka fundamentals. And there's nothing more fundamental about a project than the project's building on top of it. And this one happens to be, well, the most useful. That's right, guys. Today, we're gonna be looking at WanBridge. When I came up into space, there was essentially no way to get from chain to chain, and definitely not in a decentralized way. WanBridge is Wanchain's very own cross-chain bridge that allows you to get into and get out of the Wanchain ecosystem and pop it out on any chain you want. The fluidity, the flexibility, no strings attached, no third party, no KYC. Today, we're gonna look at it and even use it. But you know what? I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's get it. Welcome, Wandalorians, to the WanBridge, the Wanchain ecosystem's exit and entry point. Convert your digital assets into their WAN asset equivalents, like Bitcoin to WAN Bitcoin, or ETH to WAN ETH. And well, that's basically the utility in a nutshell. Simple, yet effective, and much needed. But for the purposes of this video, and to help you all along, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through this in real time. So first off, go ahead and connect your wallet up at this button here. I've already done that. Head over to the home tab and select the asset you wish to deal with. I'm going to be using ETH, so I'm going to select that. Then select which chain the asset is coming from. In this situation, it's coming from the native Ethereum chain. Underneath, select the chain you wish to go to. You have the options for Avalanche, Moonriver, or Wanchain. But for the purposes of making this video, I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through this while I actively try to export WAN ETH back onto the native Ethereum blockchain. Let's get it. First thing you want to do is connect your wallet. I've already done that, so I'm going to skip to step number 2. In the home tab, you have various available fields. In the first, you want to select the asset you wish to deal with. In this situation, it's going to be Ethereum. Below that, select which chain you want to export the asset from. Because it's WAN ETH, I'm going to be exporting from the Wanchain blockchain. Next, select the chain you want to export the digital asset to. I want to send it to Ethereum. Then a box pops up and prompts you to select an Ethereum address for where the funds will be sent to. I'm cool with this address, so I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. Make sure to select the address that the WAN ETH is actually located in, or else you won't be able to do much. Then it will show you the available ETH within that wallet. Then below it, insert the ETH address you wish to send the Ethereum to. And then the last field is the amount. I want to send it all, so I'm gonna hit max. Bada bing, bada boom. And just so you know, every transaction in or out using the WanBridge utilizes about 20 WAN. WAN at 20 cents, that's not that much. WAN at $20, that could be a little bit more. All the more reason to accumulate WAN on the cheap. But that's not financial advice. Y'all are adults. And then when everything looks okay, go ahead and hit next. It's gonna tell you the details, the Wanchain address, the Ethereum address, the amount of WAN ETH being converted, and the fee in WAN. When everything's cool, go ahead and hit confirm. Click yes, and there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Just with a couple clicks, you can get any asset supported by Wanchain to any other blockchain. Lickety split. A lot of other interoperability solutions talk about a whole lot of tech, but WAN's not just talking, it's doing. With more integrations than I can shake a stick at. It's gonna come in handy one day, especially when centralized exchanges get really freaking weird. Talk to y'all later. Peace.